beautiful knee. Okay. Good night or nepong miyani. So tonight, me and my clan. Okay, we are going to show you guys, whoever wanted to learn how to cook our our Chuukese tempura, which is Chuukese donuts. So we're gonna show you everything, all the ingredients, everything. So we are going to start off with this. If you go to a Goodwill store and you find this kind of, what do you call this, Nanu? Big bowl or big seppi. Then if you don't want a Goodwill, buy one. That's what you're gonna need for your donuts. Step number 1, seppi. Step number 2, to all those don't know how to make basic donuts, okay? Are you still in Hawaii? Are you here again in Vancouver, our friend Taki? So second thing you need to know is your thumb. This is what they call this in Chuukese, or they call this thumb. That's what you need. Second thing, a thumb. It's tongue. Okay, my daughter is there. I really don't know how to say it, but tongue. A thumb. Excuse my word. Okay, the third kitchen product you need in the kitchen. What do you call that? Measuring cup. You need to use a measuring cup. If you don't use a measuring cup, then your donut is not gonna come out or delicious. What are you? My partner, I have a partner, but she's kind of shy looking at the camera. So come on, you. Don't be shy.
Mom, why did you turn on my thing?
Okay, somebody is interfering. What thing? Okay, number 4. You need all of this. If you don't have this, and you're using spoon or spoons, your donuts is not gonna come out delicious. So you're gonna need this too. Okay. Now we're gonna start showing you guys all the recipes. So, sugar. We usually put our sugar in a bucket. So, if I were you buy 125-pound sugar, and then you get a bucket, you buy it from Winco, then you save it in here, so it stays fresh. Okay, sugar. Gonna use the cup. Right here. So to use the sugar for your donuts, you're gonna use this kind of measuring cup. If you don't use this kind, your donuts is not gonna come out delicious again. Like I said, you're gonna follow direction, and then after sugar, okay, now what you're gonna start putting in so they see what we are doing. So we're gonna teach you guys how to make a soft, delicious coconut and milk donuts. So you guys gonna keep watching, because we're gonna show you all the ingredients, what we are putting into our donuts. That's why it comes out so amazing and delicious. So if you guys want to learn my recipe, keep watching my videos, because I'm gonna be starting uploading it on YouTube. So please, all my viewers who are watching my video tonight, please, after you watch my video, I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube channel, and if you could please click the subscribe button. I'm gonna share, copy and paste it under my video so you can click that subscribe button. So for now, let's continue showing you guys how to make the Chuukese coconut milk donuts. Delicious soft donuts. Okay, Nemo, come on, your turn. Okay, my okay, come on. So they don't see you, but I'm gonna face it to my daughter. So right there is my daughter. Come on, Nemo, they don't see you. Wait, what's a carton? We are going to be a recipe. What's a carton? So you're gonna need.
That's 1.5 cup.
This is a half cup. So it's gonna be 2, 4, 4.5. It's gonna be 4 cups of this, which is, this one is half cup. So you're gonna put 4.5 just 5 cups of this. So this is a half cup, so you're gonna put in, yeah.
If you have 5.
It's gonna be so sweet. So if you wanna make it so sweet, you're gonna put in 5. But if you wanna have it just medium, then you're just gonna put in 4. So
4 cups of those equals 2.
1, yeah.
Cup.
2 cups of this equals 1. So 2 cups of the half, it equals 1. So it's like 4 equals 2. It's gonna be 2.5. 2.5, which is 5 of the half cup. So that's 2, 4. So 5 cup half of this. So that's done already. Keep watching because you're learning how to make my sweet donuts recipe. So now we're putting in, where's the yeast? You forgot the yeast. So now we're moving on to the yeast. We are, come on, Nenu. Here. So see this one? It's gonna be 1 tablespoon. Here. Come on, hurry up, you gotta go faster. Oh, wait. We are doing, oh my goodness. What? We are doing the coconut. We don't use the
Gosh.
Excuse me, sorry. It's a different recipe. I almost gonna mix it. Oh, Sarah. So for the coconut and milk donuts, we don't use yeast. So it's just gonna be baking powder. So don't pay attention to what I said earlier, because all you need is this one. 1 teaspoon. Right there. Teaspoon. So you're gonna use 5 here. 6, right?
4.
No, 6. So you're gonna put in 6 tablespoon. Teaspoon. 6 teaspoon of baking powder. 6. 1.
You know what this thing is moving?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Water. It's like water to good at coming a baking powder. So with the 1 teaspoon baking powder, you're gonna put in 6. So 6 tablespoons of the baking powder. Now we're moving on to baking soda. So baking soda, you guys are wondering why my donuts is so mododo and it's so smooth. Well, this is another thing. You wanna use baking soda.
How much?
So you're gonna need 5 baking soda. 1
teaspoon.
Yes. 5 teaspoon baking soda. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, moving on. We're done with baking soda. Moving on to vanilla. Take it out.
How much?
So for the vanilla, you can always come because you know we're neighbors, so you can always come here and we'll make donuts. So for the vanilla, you're only putting in 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon only. There you go. That's it. Only 1 teaspoon. That's it. Okay. So, I bought it from the other cheap Spartan store. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna use your measuring cup to put in your milk. So you're gonna use 2.5 or 3 cups of fresh whole. What is this one again?
This is just whole milk.
It's the whole milk. I'm gonna use the whole milk, 3 cups or 2.5 cups, either one. 2.5, 3 cups or 2.5 cup fresh whole milk.
Okay.
And then after the whole milk, fresh one, you're gonna use your coconut milk. So this one, I don't like this one, but since I ran out of my matun, then I'm only using this one. But this matun here, this is not the best one, but I don't have any of my best one. My next video, YouTube video, I'm gonna show you guys the best matun that you can use to mix it with your guys' donuts. So for now, Thai coconut milk, we're gonna use it with the Kapongaru Maria Tseng Junior. And then you're gonna open that. Okay, when you can you get the can opener, please?
Oh, yeah.
My goodness, don't do that. My daughter was just using a kitchen knife to open the can, but don't you do that because you can cut your finger. So come on, hurry up. They're waiting. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Should have opened this before, yeah.
So for Chuukese ubuwafaru, I really know I can use my kitchen knife or my big top knife. I can just use it, open it with my hand. But since my daughter don't know how, because she was born in the US and she only know how to use the can opener. I don't want her to cut her hand, so she's using the can opener. So always use the can opener for safety. Okay?
Look at this.
I know that's how it looks like.
Why is it like that?
So that's why I don't like the Thai. Don't use this one. I'm using it tonight. But that's why I don't like this one, because it's like, see, it gets frozen. It gets, look. But it's still good. It's still good because it's gonna get melted. Okay. And then where's our kata?
Our
So
eggs. We didn't put in the eggs.
put in. Okay. Last thing we're gonna do is eggs. So use 2 or 3 eggs. So you're gonna put 2 or 3 eggs. See, you guys, I'm teaching you guys my recipe for the delicious, soft, smooth Chuukese coconut milk, fresh milk donuts. Excuse me, don't make a mess. And also while you're cooking in your kitchen, try make sure you don't make a big mess, because that's gonna be a second job you gotta do. Oh, you guys want to say hi to my visitor at my house? You want to say hi to my viewers? I get 20 viewers. Say hi. He's coming here to buy donuts. Yeah, he's gonna buy his donuts because he likes my donuts. So I'm just kidding. Never. He let me get though. Oh, the first store. Sorry, excuse that. So that was my handsome brother. Okay, so I guess you guys get all the ingredients. You all learn everything I just show you guys on my life. So like this is just the basic. Ngeri ke vikara ose förre vid donuts. But ke vi vikara visire ke förre donuts. I will proceed förre vid donuts. I'm only doing this for those who don't know how to make donuts and love to eat donuts. And this is what I'm doing on my live video. But then at the same time, please, I'm gonna go out there with a YouTube channel, so please can you guys subscribe. So for now, everything I show you guys, that's just one of my donuts ingredients. So everything I show you guys on the live video. So stay tuned again. I might put another live video. It's gonna be a different recipe. Oh, Tracy. So this is gonna be for now because all the ingredients, all my recipes are already mixed together. So when it's complete, when it's done, then we're gonna show you guys again. So stay tuned. Nepoganim Yerikevi ready sit. Beautiful viewers. Excuse me. We'll be right back. Ore pano now.